Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Mirage, stock number 5993. This ran from the 2012 to the current shape. Has a 389 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 1-speed automatic transmission. This is a FA9 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 15-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door has 3 dents. Left rear door has 4 dents. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory 6-stack CD player. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.